what are you doing? I'm just waiting on the washing machine to stop because I have to film a TikTok in between. And while my story family here, they get to hear what really goes on, when I film the TikToks or the Reels, I like it to be a little bit quiet in the background. Normally you will still hear Jean snoring and Dougie's little toe is walking around. But my story family, they get to hear all of it. Just the whole shebang. But before we get started, I dropped them. These just released. How chaotic does this look? They are from City Color. It's their eye bases. I'm so excited to show you these. So I've been wearing these and using these off the sidelines, and I've been playing with them, and they're beautiful. I can't wait for you to see them. So we're going to be using these today, and I wanted to use another City Color palette because you guys went wild for the green one. So we're going to use this today, which means we're probably going to use this. I'm excited. And while I'm waiting on the washing machine, yeah, they sold out, but Anissa Beauty is so amazing that they're already for pre-sale. They'll be in stock pretty soon. I don't have an exact date, but the way it works out, it's a really, really fast restock compared to other brands. So the Pinnacle Foundation brush, you can still pre-order it. Oops. Oh, and don't forget to use code ROSE for a discount. I'm sure most of you know that, but I get a lot of new supporters every day. So yeah, code ROSE. I'm gonna go finish the laundry, do a couple other little things. I'll be back in probably about 15 minutes, maybe less. Be right back. Okay, I'm back and I'm giving Wednesday Adam vibes because it is hot. It's hot outside. Tired. I'm tired of it. Braids are working for me. Let's get started. So I'm gonna do kind of like a shadowing. So I'm gonna grab the shade Minty here. This one's from City Color. And now we're gonna create a shadowing. And I'm using the Anissa Beauty Spot Treatment brush. Don't worry about underneath here. We can clean that up with micellar water. Just kind of paint on a shadowing. I haven't done this kind of style in a little while. It's one of my faves to do. And then just smooth this out. Y'all, I just did this eye in 2 seconds. Took me 2 seconds. Let me see if I can do it all right here. I'm wiping off my brush. So I grabbed my Scott Barnes 61. This is the City Color Paradise Love Collection Green Vibes palette. It is so pretty. So I grabbed this shade, press that towards the inner part. I think Sheila just fell on the floor. Sheila is my makeup rag. That sounded funny, like maybe it was an animal. All the animals are fine. The makeup rag is, oh no, it's right here. Then I wiped off my brush just a little bit, went into this shade, pressed that one through the center. The base is just grabbing those pigments. That is so smooth. Picking up a little bit more. All right, and then I grabbed this shade for the outer part. That was pretty fast. Just so you know, if I'm coming back and half my eyes done or almost complete, it's because I was filming a TikTok. I'm done filming that TikTok for now. Now we're going to grab this shade. You knew we were going to use the glitter. But all I'm going to do is, you see this natural fold of my eye right there? I'm just going to apply the glitter right under that. That way when we blink, we just get a little extra. And you don't have to use any kind of glitter base with these. They just kind of grab. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love this eye, and it was so easy. I'm going to finish up what I was doing here. All I did was take this shade on a MAC 228S, and I was just pressing it into my lash line. I didn't want to do a wing, but we are going to wear falsies, so we need a little bit of depth here to hide our lash band. Press that in. For my lashes to dry, we're wearing floofers because it's Monday. Also, whenever I have my hair in pigtails, this is literally how I walk around and live my life. I don't know why. So most of you here know my transfer trick that I use, even without setting spray with the puff. So I'm going to film that tomorrow, only because I got so excited for this. This is from Lawless Beauty, so I'm going to hop off in a second and film this, which will be posted tonight. You guys you never have to wait too long. But it says it's long wearing, self-setting, and full coverage. Tell me this isn't going to be fun. So I want to see if it will actually set itself without powder. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm going to wear Michaela Glam Light lashes in the style Code Orange. If that didn't sound like a haunted house, I don't know what does. I feel like Vincent Price is going to start narrating any moment. I'm going to hop off and film this. Shake it over real nice. I'm so excited. I will be right back. All right, I filmed it. No powder. I actually didn't even use primer. I can't wait for you to see. I'm going to grab some concealer. This is the closest one. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the shade 25. I just got this. Just did. Where did it go? Already. Did I not bring it over here? I know I brought it over here. It has RUNNOFT. Hang on. We are going to film a first impressions with this. This is the new Anastasia concealer. Pretty excited for this one. It's got a little bit of peachy pink in it, but I don't feel like it's going to be enough, but we're still going to try it out. So stay. Setting with our Givenchy powder today. Let's press that in. I'm going to grab my Huda Glowish bronzer today. I'm going to be using the shade Medium. And the brush is a prototype, but stay tuned for that. And we'll just go ahead and start to press that in. Notice that I'm still pressing and not swiping. This is a self-setting foundation, like I mentioned. So once something's set, it's very easy to disturb it, and that's what lifts it, and that's what makes it cakey. So by pressing, I'm not going to disturb it quite as much. Let's apply this shade under here. Can we just talk about the pigment for a second? I did want to point that out because remember, I don't have any eyeshadow base underneath here. And look how pigmented that is. A+. So I want to do a slight pink. Look how gorgeous that is. It's from Alamar Cosmetics. We're going to start though with this. I got ahead of myself. I got excited. This is lip liner from ColourPop in the shade Bumble. So then I just take my finger, as you can see, and work that lip liner into the rest of the lip. Now, for the spicy part, this one is from Alamar. Look at how gorgeous. I actually do have a discount code. It's going to be Rose. So pretty. And we're done. We're spicy. We're tropical. We're end of summer. Now, today was sponsored, but the next time you see these, it's not going to be. These are so cool. I love pastels because they even bring depth to deeper colors. They really let the colors come through. I love these. I love colorful bases. I was using them non-stop, and I just feel like the ones that I had, they got kind of like, I guess they got a little old. So I'm super excited to have new bases. I'm going to take pictures of this look. I'm going to go edit that first impression. And then I'll see you guys in the comments in just a little while.